Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can demolish your house in seconds in Heartopia. So you can use the blueprint like setting to do this by I think just pressing the like add blueprint or something, but I think this is a little bit easier for me. So I'm just going to do it on a blueprint because I don't want to do it to my actual house, because what if I can't like undo that? I don't want to do that. So basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to edit your house, of course. But I'm just going to select this advanced build mode, press the remove object, and if you do this one by one, it's going to take you forever. So do single selection, and basically it's going to remove everything quickly like this, and you can remove your house in seconds. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!